channel. I hope you guys are doing great, staying safe, taking care of your hair, skin and yourself, having vitamins. So guys, as you guys know how much I love reviewing products, and today I am going to review some amazing products from Wow Skincare. So I've been wanting to get my hands on the Moroccan range since very long time, and finally I got my hands on it. So in this video, I am going to review the Moroccan hair oil, Moroccan shampoo and Moroccan conditioner. If you want to know how to apply the product and the review thereafter, then keep watching this video. So guys, I have always been a fan of Moroccan oils, and first product we are gonna try is this Wow Moroccan Argan hair oil. It says that it is a non-sticky hair oil, helps revive thin, dull and unmanageable hair. I have a lot of frizz in my hair and also it's getting very dry. So let's put it on the scalp and hair and see if it really manages the hair and gets me lustrous and nice shiny locks. So let's apply. So I'm gonna take the amount in my hands. Oh, this smells so good. I'm a big fan of oils. I really like doing chumpy every now and then. And this one here looks amazing, smells divine, and it's actually non-sticky. I don't feel like I'm putting oil in my hair. Isn't that amazing? See, you can see I'm putting oil, but it doesn't even look like I'm putting oil. I'm gonna start putting it everywhere. So the best part about Wow Skincare products is that they are cruelty free, they are vegan. I really like products which are natural and vegan and cruelty free. It's amazing to see a brand doing such great work. Okay guys, so I'm done putting the hair oil. I've kept it for an hour. Now I'm going to wash my hair with this amazing Wow Skincare Moroccan Argan shampoo. The best part about this shampoo is it has no sulfate, no silicone, no paraben and no color. Also vitamin B5. I'm really looking forward to wash my hair with this because I've been looking for a shampoo which is very natural and gives my hair nice shine, and let's see how this one works on me. After shampooing my hair, I'm going to condition my hair with this amazing Wow Skin Science Moroccan Argan Oil hair conditioner, which is amazing, comes with a kit, and I think the best result will come if you use this together. This one is also paraben free, silicone free, no sulfates, cruelty free, vegan. I mean, so many things in one. So it has Moroccan oil, vitamin B and vitamin E in it. So I'm going to use both of these together on my oil hair. So let's see what the results are, and I'm super excited to see. So guys, can you see how lustrous and great my hair looks? They are shinier, and I feel it's so good to see your hair like this, especially when you haven't used any products which are harmful for your hair. I use this amazing Moroccan oil range from Wow Skin Science, and my hair feels amazing. The best part, they are paraben free, sulfate free, no minerals, vegan, cruelty free. I mean, what else do you need, right? At a pocket friendly price. I highly recommend this amazing range from Wow Skin Science. And if you guys like this video, do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. You know what to do, right? And if you want me to create more such videos, then do let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna see you next time.